The Commission on Elections is conducting a thorough study of the Supreme Court's status quo ante order on two party list groups earlier disqualified by the poll body. The two are the Senior Citizens and Abang Lingkod party lists. More from Noel Perfecto.
COMELEC Chair Sixto Brillantes says that the Commission will carefully study the resolution from the Supreme Court once it reaches the Commission regarding the possibility of removing the disqualification and proclamation of the Senior Citizens and the Abang Lingkod party list as winning party lists in the recent midterm polls. Chairman Brillantes said that their current priority is a status quo ante order filed by the Supreme Court in replacement of the previously issued temporary restraining order which hinders the creation of other winning party list groups. Chairman Sixto noted the sensitivity of the issue, which is why an evaluation is needed to see its implications.
Hindi ko pa nakikita yung resolution ng Supreme Court. Hindi ko pa nakikita. Hindi ko alam kung nandiyan pero hindi ko pa nakikita.
Alam na po ninyo.
Pero hindi ko pa nababasa yung exact wordings. Inaantay ko yung reso. Ewan ko kung dumating na. Pero kahapon, wala.
More or less, anong magiging ramifications po nito?
Hindi ko alam. Basta sinasabi lang nila, mag-reserva kayo ng seats for the senior citizen. Walang problema, napakadaling gawin. Meron pa naman kaming hindi pinoproclaim na 5 So, nandun na yung reservation
Yesterday, the COMELEC and Bank hurriedly met to discuss the status quo ante order of the Supreme Court when the spokesperson disclosed the resolution of the highest court in the land to media men.
Well, we'll just have to obey it. There is nothing wrong with it. We don't find anything wrong. They're just asking us to reserve 2 seats. That's okay. We can wait until they come out with the final decision on the merits of the senior citizens disqualification. Walang problema. Walang problema sa implementation niya. Magre-reserve ka lang ng 2 seats. Yun lang naman ang sinabi ng Supreme Court.
I think the Supreme Court was referring to senior citizens party list tsaka yung Abang Lingkod.
Reserve. Tsaka yung Tama yun, Abang Lingkod. Pero Abang Lingkod, walang reservation yun. Daw. I've not seen the order yet. I'm going to get it precisely.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.